but it only took me one try in order to get it right. And as you see, even over black, this is incredibly pigmented, even if we're doing the white. If you like doing your own nails, or if you do it commercially, I think you're really going to like the quality of this airbrush paint. Something really nice about this is that this is gel nail polish, and we have 12 different colors that we can choose from inside of this set. Everything is very high pigmented, so you don't have to continuously go over things. Let me go ahead and show you. We basically get every color that we could want. There are endless possibilities with the combinations here. Now you do want to make sure that you shake this for about 15 seconds before you go to use it. And we also need to make sure that we are applying our base coat here to our nails. Whichever color you want the base of your nails to be, you are going to want to make sure that you're painting everything first and then go ahead and cure it. Now you might be curious to know what the white one looks like, so we are going to start out by using this one first. Now if you've never done this before, just go really gently and take your time. You're going to notice just how well constituted everything already is with this. And if you are using a color that you haven't used yet, the company is going to send you these. It does have a little pin here on the inside, so you can gently open everything. And this is a very, very fluid solution, so just keep that in mind. And you're probably really going to like just how easy this is to use, especially if you are beginner friendly. Because it is so thin, you can go ahead and make things as opaque or as light as you want them to be. And you'll see here that on my first nail, I did underestimate the fact that everything is just as fluid as it should be. So I did overbuild just a little bit, but it only took me one try in order to get it right. And as you see, even over black, this is incredibly pigmented, even if we're doing the white. I love this set. I'm really glad that the company sent me this to try, and hopefully this helps.